Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the flat bridge. So that is the famous flat bridge to the right, and we're driving through the Bogwalk Gorge. Now this bridge was built hundreds of years ago, and it crosses over the Rio Cobra Bridge when you're going from Kingston to the north coast. This is the route you take, or this is the most popular route because you don't have to pay a toll and you don't have to go over any hill. There's an alternate route, which is the Highway 2000 north-south leg, but you have to pay a toll and it's very expensive. You can also go over Sligoville, but that is going over a hill and it takes time and the road is bad. So on many occasions, this bridge gets blocked because sometimes trucks navigate it wrong and it creates a serious problem. So that is why it is time for the government to upgrade this bridge. Basically, build a new bridge. And you have plenty of space to the right. The bridge could go over the Rio Cobra at another point. That's the Rio Cobra on the left. So guys, what do you think? Do you think it's time that they replace this bridge? And at the very least, we need a 2-lane bridge so that the traffic doesn't have to stop to go over the bridge. Now, somebody had mentioned that this is a very scenic drive, very scenic, one of the most scenic drives you can take in Jamaica. But the bridge, I think the bridge has done its time. It is time for a new modern structure to be put up. Now, the flat bridge is a historic site, so you can't, and you wouldn't want to remove it. So build a bridge beside it and keep the flat bridge as it is. It could be it's a historic site, so it's protected under many laws. So you build a new bridge beside it. And because this thoroughfare is so important, and with all the activity going on the north coast, I mean, it's probably, I would say, hundreds of developments taking place, whether it's a house or a plaza or a hotel. A lot of activities taking place there. And then you have Kingston, which is the capital of Jamaica, the major business hub. That's where the largest population lives. So you find a lot of people traveling between Kingston and the north coast. Now, in the latest capital expenditure that was announced by the government, they have no plans, or there's nothing in there for a bridge to replace flat bridge. So hopefully sometime in the near future, they will build a new bridge. And I don't think it would be that expensive because I don't think a local contractor would be able to do such a job. I'm not sure, guys. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. But we have a lot of foreign contractors, especially China Harbour Engineering Company. So at this point, the bridge could go straight across to the other side of the road because there is space, even if they demolish some of the structure straight ahead, and the bridge just goes straight across and connects back to the existing road. I don't see it as being a major or a very expensive job. Right there on the left, just carry the bridge straight across. The bridge, the Rio Cobra is not that deep, although sometimes when it rains heavy, it overflows its banks. But at that point, the gorge would be closed anyway, so it doesn't matter which bridge you use, you wouldn't be able to get to the bridge because it would be closed. And if you're wondering why flat bridge doesn't have any rails on it, it's for that very reason. When the Rio Cobra overflows its banks, it damages whatever rails have been put on the flat bridge. So that's why they've left it as it is. And I don't see it as any major capital expenditure to build a new bridge here. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And just before we go, when the flat bridge is blocked, the traffic backs up on either side. So to get heavy equipment into the gorge to clear, let's say it's a truck, because most times it's a truck or a vehicle that is blocking the bridge. It's a tedious task and it takes time. So to alleviate one of the bottlenecks on this route, or a major bottleneck, a new bridge should be built. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.